Okay, now we need a number 2 cam bushing tool. This looks like the one right here. But I screwed up.
How are you going to get that through that hole?
Turn around, come back in.
Might not work.
It's not like a Sportster where you can go through both of this. I just tested to see if it would fit. So this is the Jim's tool that's been resharpened, and it cuts about a thou and a half under now. Because I had some cams that were kind of undersized. So I took a $300-$400 tool and butchered it. Paid a couple $100 to have it ground to an undersize. Because I have those adjustables to make it what I want.
Oh, yeah.
See, when I buy good tools, I modify them. I also cut their stupid square off down here. Put a 1/2 inch stub on for a drill.
Yeah.
I was going to use a damn hand crescent wrench to tighten their damn cut their bushing with. Stupid. Bunch of morons. Don't know where they come up with their ideas. This doesn't come off now. Plus the camera. Remember how we did it last time?
Well, we used a stick, didn't we? Yeah.
Had one of these. Can't find a Jim's number for that.
It's on there somewhere.
Maybe it didn't have one. Okay, we lubricate up the bushing. We lubricate up the reamer. And I put a little bit on the shaft just because we like getting dirty. Fits a lot better now.
All right.
See how much easier it went on?
Yeah. Okay. The Big Daddy.
Mm-hmm. it fill out. Look how good that is. It sits up pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Be careful cleaning it, still cut the shit out of your fingers.
Oh yeah.
Because I resharpened it, it's not smaller because it's dull, it's resharpened. Alright, so. Back over here. Making a custom reamer holder.
Yeah. So you don't accidentally cut a finger off.
I'll keep it sharp.
Well, that too.
Then we have the official one somewhere. Well, XL number 2 is over here. Where's my damn? Where's my adjustable one at? Missing one. These are Sportster. See my adjustable ones. What happened to them? Yeah, these are way bigger. I thought they were. Alright. That one there. Those are 1-inch reamers. 2. Every other size over here except the one I'm looking for. It's not in here. These are 13/16, unless they get mixed up. Nope, that's the new one. Huh. Missing a reamer. The one I need. Maybe. Don't know that yet. We don't know it until we redo it. So what do I do with my 1-inch adjustable? What do you think it is?
Somewhere on that side of us.
In the shop.
Yeah.
It's at the shop. That's what I thought. In the shop.
Is that one of the reamers you used the other day on the
No.
panhead?
No, no. Those are generator mode. This is big. This is a Evo. Shovelhead Evo. Not generator. Alternator mode. Cone motors. Oh, where's that? Somewhere. Pretty sure I'm gonna need it though. Oh,
Came right off.
almost lost it there. Ew, nice hole. Yeah, I bet you I don't use a ring. I hone it. Yeah, that's probably what I do. It's been a while since I've done that. I probably hone them this size. Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Not very round. Not a very good finish either. I bet you I hone them this size. Because this is too hole I can hone it. See the bushing didn't clean there. Didn't clean over here.
Yeah.
Rough finish. It's smooth. Feel it. Looks like crap, but it's
Oh
smooth.
wow. It's a lot smoother than it looks.
Yeah. You see, it's
So close.
tight. On purpose, it's tight. this one's bigger. It's definitely bigger. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a reamer for this. Didn't need it. I had this over here. You jump over there first. Go.
Sorry.
Oh, I have this adjustable other thing to use.
Yeah.
Takes one of these. Nope. You look like somebody mixed these up for me. Nope, that's definitely bigger.
Definitely.
Alright, smooth finish. This leaves a way better finish than a reamer does. A little more accurate hole too. But we use the alignment reamer to align it. So now when you hone it, well, that didn't work very well. Stone's too small. Let's see here, we need a longer stone. Looks like a really nice one right there that's not being used. Yeah, right in the muck. Good job. Yeah, look at that. Looks like the one I needed right there. Oh yeah. Think I've done that before?
Looks like it.
These are SL stones. They still make them. Well, they might have discontinued them finally. They've been discontinuing a lot of stuff lately. There it goes. They quit making these damn mandrels back in the 70s.
Really?
Yeah, probably by the 80s you couldn't buy them anymore. Somewhere in the 80s they would have discontinued them. But you can still buy the stones. So these mandrels are like brand new.
Yeah.
I don't use these ones very often. Plus I went and bought a bunch of them on eBay years ago, and all the ones that were all worn out, I turned them down, or I got new ones, replaced them. Alright. I think it's up to size now. Okay, it's not very even right now, so I'm going to have to do something about that. Yeah, so I don't want to do it in the bushing, so we'll take this truing sleeve. If we have one floating around here, there should be something floating around here somewhere to use. When you put a stone in, they're not true when you first put them in, so you have to basically fit them by using them. way down there. Alright, that's close enough for what I need. I know it's going to cut more down there than this side, so that's alright. At least there's no big high spots in there anymore. And that was done for a different diameter than this too, so different. See how accurate that hole is?
Yeah.
It went hard all the way in. So even though it's grabbing on me pretty heavy, I compensated and put a good hole. It's not tapered or beveled like that hand one they did.
Yeah.
See how the finish is a lot smoother? Even just roughing it in. Big down there. Big time down there. Needs to be broken in. And you want to it goes in and out, but you want to make sure you got some clearance in it. You don't want to be that tight, because this is only splash lubricated, so whatever oil goes in here is all it gets.
Oh.
So it'll run dry and go up until you get this tight.
Right.
Which obviously is not a good thing. No car spots on this thing. Right there. Barely feel anything. Better be a little bit looser than tight. That should be enough. I can barely feel anything. You see it rocking?
Yeah.
There's a little bit of something. And you see how much better the finish is, huh?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Alright, we'll clean this all up. We'll be back.